Let's learn 20 kanji you will never forget. The first kanji is Nichi, sun, he, day. Imagine waking up and as you open your window, you see the sun sitting inside the box. That's it, Nichi. Imagine as you open your window, you see the sun sitting inside the window. This is called Nichi or he. Nichi is sun and he is day. The second kanji is Tuki, moon or getsu, month. Imagine you're outside at night and the moon appears curved like this. The moon appears curved like this. That's it, curved like this. The moon appeared like this. The moon changes every month. Moon changes every month equals getsu. Or Tuki, which is the moon. Comment if this helped you to remember. Subscribe for daily kanji you will never forget. The next kanji looks like a person sitting. It is called Onna, woman. It looks like a woman sitting, the head, the arm while sitting. A woman sitting politely. The head is slightly tilted, the arm crossed in a sitting position. So it's written like this. And the arm crossed. A woman sitting politely with an arm crossed. It's called honor. A woman. This is a woman. Now let's meet the man. It is called Otoko. Otoko. The kanji is made up of two parts. The top looks like a field and the bottom looks like strength or power. Combine the field and strength makes a man. Field plus power or plus strength will give you a man, which is Otoko. So let's write it like this. Imagine a field and someone flaunting his strengths. Is equals to man. Otoko. Comment if this helped you to remember. Subscribe for daily kanji you will never forget. These two kanji create over 100 Japanese words. It is hito or jin. It is called person. Hito or jin. It is called person. Imagine two legs walking. That's a person. Imagine two legs walking. Walking legs equals person equals he equals hito or jin, person. You, me, everyone, we are walking with two legs. You can find this in Nihonjin, a Japanese person. The second kanji is Kuchi, mouth. Kuchi, mouth. Open your mouth, form a shape like a square. That's it. Kuchi, a shape like a square. A shape like a square. It's called kuchi. Kuchi. A shape like a square. The next kanji is one tree becomes a forest. Tree, he, or moku. Imagine a tree with different branches. You climbing a tree with different branches is called ki. A tree with branches is called ki or moku. Tree. The next kanji is two trees combined together. It's called forest. Two trees combined together is called hayashi. Forests. Two trees combined together is called forests. Hayashi. Pause and try to remember this. If you can't remember, rewatch again. This kanji looks exactly like nature. The kanji is Yama. Imagine hiking and you see three mountains in front of you. It looks like three mountains next to each other. The left peak, the big middle peak, and the right peak. Imagine three mountains. The left one, the big middle one, and the right peak. It's called Yama. The next kanji is Kawa. River. Imagine a flowing water or a flowing river with three lines. It's called Kawa. River. One stream, the second stream, and the third stream. This is called Kawa. Imagine three streams of water. Flowing down a mountain. This is Kawa and this is Yama. Kawa, river. Yama, mountain. Subscribe for easy kanji you will never forget. Is water. Mizu, water. Imagine a flowing water and water splashing in all directions. A flowing water with water splashing in all directions. A flowing water and water splashing in all directions. It's called mizu. The middle line shows like a river. The side line indicates water splashing. So it's called mizu. The next kanji is fire. It's called Hi. The top flame, it shows the top flame and sparks. Imagine a campfire. The flames are going up and sparks flying. So this is fire. Hi. A fire, flames are going up and fire burning. It's called Hi. Ue and Shita. Ue. Imagine a line above the ground. This is a ground, long line, and another line, long line above the ground. It is called up. So imagine something rising above the ground, going higher and higher and higher. Next kanji is shita. Imagine a line going below the ground. It's called shita, below the ground. Something falls below the ground. So this is the ground and something is going down below it. It's called shita. This is the ground and a line above the ground, and you give it smaller. So it's called up. Where the next one is a line. This is the ground and a line is going below it with this small mark. It's called shita. If you find this helpful, please like the video. The next kanji is gaku. Study. Imagine a child sitting under a roof learning something new. It's called study. Gaku. Imagine a child studying something new. A child sitting under a roof and studying something new. It's called study. Gaku. Gaku. The next kanji is ko, school. Long ago, people studied under the tree. So this is a tree and people gather to learn knowledge under the tree. That becomes school. A tree and a crossing. A crossing like this. So imagine a tree with someone crossing. That is ko. We call it ko. Imagine a tree and a roof, someone crossing. It's called ko, school. So we call both as gakko, which is a school. A child learning in a place where people gather and grow. So for you, this two kanji shows the difference between big and small. This is big. It is called o, or you can call it dai. Imagine someone stretching both their arms and their legs. Imagine someone stretching both their legs and their arms. It's called big. O, big, or you can call it dai. The next one is chi, small. Imagine someone bending their limbs. It's called chi, small. Imagine a center line having this edge with a small drops. It is called chi or show. So we call it small. We call it chi side. I pray this trick will make you memorize kanji. It is called before, sen. The next one is say, life or leaf. Imagine a plant growing from the ground. So imagine this is the ground and plants are growing from the ground. Plants with different leaves coming out. It's called say. Imagine the ground and plants growing from it. Small plants and leaves. So this is called say, leaf or life. So this is sen and say. So adding this together will give you teacher. Someone ahead of you, guiding you, and something growing above the ground. Like plants growing above the ground with different leaves. This is called sensei, teacher. Sensei. Thank you for watching. If this helps you to memorize kanji, kindly like the video. Subscribe for easy kanji you will never forget. Comment below if this helped you to remember kanji.